Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association MSOA haka arpuniutrik nailar kala pentip bakat hadu menta kila don baro hadu nriu hajar praspa prangun ki baladep thep kerteng na kebenta kejing kop mare balatip kum ka fort Sora International Half Marathon 2025 kabanlong haka arpuniutrik unailur arhajar arpusan. Habakren syakilat patai kubor ha Shillong Press Club ka MSOA ka pentip bakat haduk mentah kila don baro nriu hajar nriu spa prangut ki bala dep thep kerteng kuntup ya shi hajar san spa nriu pulai ngut ki shenrang bat nriu spa prapu arngut ki kenthai kata ar hajar ar spa sapusan ngut ha kejinya kop ka ba ar huai ke shipau ke bat san ke. Kalau ong ru bahaka san ke run for fun kila don hadu ar hajar ngut ki bana Sora ki bala thep kerteng bat na ki school na kathain Sora kila don ar hajar san spa nri pulai ngut. Na Kenya ki don san ngut ki bala dep thep kerteng bat baro ki bana bar ke jela Meghalaya ki bala dep thep kerteng ki long shi spa sapu ar ngut baro. Haka ar puai ke elite ki don prapu ar ngut ki shenrang bat khan ngut ki kenthai kat hadu mentang. Haka arpoi ke Meghalaya Open kila don baro shispa khatsan ngut ki shenrang bat khan ringut ki kenthai. Haka shipau ke Open khatpra snem sheneng kila don nyu spa shipau ngut ki shenrang bat shispa nri pusa ngut ki kenthai. Haka shipau ke Open sau pongut hadu san pusa ngut sheneng kila don khandai pongut ki shenrang bat sau phundri ngut ki kenthai bat haka shipau ke Open san pusan snem sheneng kila don khat khandai ngut ki shenrang bat khat wei ngut ki kenthai ki bala dep thep kerteng kat hadu menta. Upentip ru baka surok ban le cha Sora kan khang na du kapor san bejemen step hadu kapor khandai laipo bejemen step. Hakni kejinya kop kan don ru kejing tes yaki badi yaki noki dawai ki bala mana da kesunjuk bapenyai kenang ba ka jing penlong ya kedi kejinya kop kan long ke bakhui besuba bat ka baya ibe ya irenti. Na kebentakan ni kila bensyat haka National Anti-Doping Agency NADA. Na kaliang u General Secretary ba fine lipariat ula penti kena batat haduk menta ki don baro nriu hajar praspa prangut ki bala dep pendrung kerteng bat ukerpat ya baro ki noi shimbenta ban bat ya kapor kenang ba kejinya kop kan long ke bejom.
As you're aware, the fourth Sora International Half Marathon is going to be conducted on 27th September. And we have few days left, and the last date I think is 10th of September. So like last year also we had a lot of issues. People, last minute wanting to apply, but we can't do because these are online registrations, and when it closed, then unfortunately we just recently had a meeting in Sora in the office of the sub-divisional officer, the SDO Sora, Mr. M.A. Shah, MCS, and there we had a review of the preparations. And one of the requests was that if all the participants, especially from Shillong, because they are participants from Shillong, are going to be transported to Sora. So that Fani will indicate. So, but from my side, I would like to once again emphasize that they all need to be on time. Because once the police shut the traffic, there is no way that they get allowed them to cross. Because these are international events and they will not allow any other vehicle to cross. So vehicular traffic will be shut down from 5 a.m. in the morning, and no vehicle will then be allowed to proceed after that notified time. So the vehicle from Shillong will all leave at 4 p.m. in the morning. All the vehicles. The last bus will leave at 4. All are reported to come and report at 3 a.m. in the morning. All buses will leave at 4 a.m. in the morning. As of now, there are only the budget is on the top runners. We are attracting the top runners to come and participate. The moment we include celebrities, then the budget goes up, right? So we already have a celebrity that is called Sora. Sora is right. Sora itself is a huge celebrity. But we need to do it again and again, right? Because like I said earlier, even though there are so many footfall in Sora, right? Almost all the top VIPs of India have visited Sora. There are still a large number of people in India itself who still don't know where Sora, right? So we need to very aggressively continue a lot of events, and we are very happy that Government of Meghalaya, Honorable Chief Minister, Sports Minister, they are continuously supporting this program. The Sora itself is a celebrity. Sora Shela area, the tourism aspect of it, and as it continues to grow, the number will grow. We can see from the numbers that year by year, every year, number kina, more and more participants.
So as of now, we have 6808 participants. Of this, run for fun is 5,538. So we have elite. This time we have more elite. Men we have 82, women 17, 21K, Meghalaya Open, men 115, women 16, 10K 18 above, 710 men, women 164, 10K 40 to 54 years, 90 men, women 46, and 10K above 55, men 19, women 11. Of these, we have already confirmed of the participation of 5 Kenyan runners, and 6 of them who are from Nigeria and Ethiopia. They have not yet received the visa, so we are waiting for them also to register. So now we have the maximum entry till date. As for the SOP, this will be given to all the athletes as and when they come for collecting of the T-shirt and the pin number. This run is, we have got a official letter from the AFI that they recognize this run, and will be conducted by them only, all technical technical expertise. So just for the brief information, I've given you this sheet, so I'll just run about it. So timing the run, we'll try to run the 5K at 5:30 a.m. from CP School, 10K and 21K, maybe 6 a.m. both races will start. So that also subjected to the consultation with the AFI technical official as and when they come. We try to make the run early. Last year we started late because of the late arrival of the buses, and the heat was so much that we have lots of people who have fallen sick because of the heat. So this time we try, as per our journal's appeal and that all runners will be on time. And as that we said, no buses will leave Shillong after 4 a.m. So regarding the prizes, we have already given to you, you know it, and Run for Fun is a 200 gift, 100 boys, 100 girls. And for the 50 years who finished the 21K will be given a consolation cash prizes for all the one who finished 21K. And T-shirt test number will be distributed on the 25th, 26th September at Giant Stadium from 11 a.m. to 5 p.m. And for Sora, T-shirt will be on the 25th and 26th from 12 noon from the Cherub Presbyterian School, Nong Sablia. So these are the general information from our side, and we do hope that this year also the run will be great. And since last year was 7,200 something, so we have another 14 days, so we expect we will touch 8,000 something. So I hope we can manage to make this run a successful.
Dude, Priya and Reha both want to meet me today. I just met Shreya yesterday. What should I do?
First, go and get yourself tested for HIV.
HIV test?
You have multiple casual relationships and unsafe sexual practices. So it is important to get tested for HIV.
You are scaring me, bro.
I'm not trying to scare you. I'm trying to make you aware. Having sex with someone without a condom carries the risk of HIV. Why are you always ignoring this? Do I have to remind you every single time? And yes, you seriously need to change your behavior.
Okay, fine. I'm not ignoring it. Sorry, Priya. Sorry, Reha. Today I am giving time to the HIV test, not to you guys.
If your habits are like Rahul, HIV test is important for you.